Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are you doing? What's so funny? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are you throwing a rock at me? Can I have those rocks? Can I have some? He has a handful of rocks. Come on, can I have some? Thank you. Ooh, yummy. Yummy. Yeah, can I have more? Thank you. Can I have more? Thank you. Can I have more? Thank you. Can I have more? Good job. Thank you. What? Oh. Thank you. More? Oh. Yeah, you kind of find out now, huh? Basically, you're just throwing the rocks. Not to mommy. Don't throw it to people. Alright, on the hands. Yes, thank you. Okay. Okay. Hey, you want to go see Boo Boo? Okay. You want to go see Boo Boo? See? Boo Boo's crying for something. Can you say hi to Boo Boo? Give it to Boo Boo. Boo Boo wants some. Let's go give it to Boo Boo. Boo Boo. Come on, Tom will give you something. Boo Boo? What are you gonna do? He has a handful of rocks. And... Boo! I know you see something. Oh, nice, Toma. You wanna give Boo Boo a hug? Hey, can you give Boo Boo a hug? Toma, to give Boo Boo a hug. Oh, you're just giving him the rocks. Give him a hug. Okay, yeah, he don't want to eat the rocks. He's not that... don't throw it at him. You want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye, Tomo. Say bye-bye. Bye.